European adventure motorcycles are the ultimate machines for mature riders seeking premium comfort, technology, and go-anywhere capability. Here are the 7 best European ADV bikes for riders over 40 in 2025, ranked from number 7 to number 1. Starting off our list at number 7, we have the Moto Guzzi V85 TT Travel, a truly unique adventure bike that blends retro charm with modern touring capability. At the heart of the V85 TT Travel is an 853 cubic centimeters air-cooled V-twin engine producing a refined 80 horsepower and 81 newton-meters of torque. It's paired with a shaft drive, ensuring smooth power delivery and minimal maintenance, something seasoned riders will surely appreciate. This travel edition comes fully equipped for long journeys, featuring a tall touring windscreen, heated grips, LED lights, cruise control, and spacious hard panniers straight from the factory. The comfortable upright ergonomics and 32.7-inch seat height make it ideal for mature riders seeking all-day comfort. And now the price. A 2025 Moto Guzzi V85 TT Travel starts at around $14,190 MSRP. With these numbers, it offers excellent value for a premium Italian-engineered adventure machine. If you're over 40 and looking for an adventure bike with timeless design and touring practicality, the Moto Guzzi V85 TT Travel is a fantastic place to start your journey. Moving on to number 6, we have the Triumph Tiger 850 Sport, a road-focused adventure bike that delivers British engineering with a perfect blend of comfort and performance. At its core lies an 888 cubic centimeters triple-cylinder engine, producing a smooth and responsive 84 horsepower and 82 newton-meters of torque. The signature Triumph T-plane crank gives it a distinctive character and tractable power, ideal for riders who value confidence and control on any road. The Tiger 850 Sport is built for comfort, with an adjustable seat height ranging from 31.9 to 32.7 inches, upright ergonomics, and Marzocchi suspension designed to soak up imperfections on long tours. Add to that features like road and rain riding modes, switchable traction control, and a crisp TFT display, and you have an ADV machine made for mature riders who crave versatility without overcomplication. As for the price, the 2025 Triumph Tiger 850 Sport starts at $12,290 MSRP. That makes it an affordable entry into the world of mid-size adventure bikes, especially considering its premium components and legendary Triumph build quality. If you're over 40 and searching for a motorcycle that balances practicality, style, and long-distance comfort, the Triumph Tiger 850 Sport should definitely be on your radar. At number 5, we have the Ducati Multistrada V2S, an adventure bike that blends Italian sophistication with everyday practicality. Powered by Ducati's 937 cubic centimeters Testastretta 11 degrees V-twin engine, the Multistrada V2S delivers a refined 113 horsepower and 96 newton-meters of torque, tuned for smooth delivery and effortless touring. The lightweight trellis frame and semi-active skyhook suspension system ensure superior ride comfort, whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling winding back roads. This S variant adds premium features such as cornering ABS, Ducati quick shift up and down, full LED lighting, cruise control, and a 5-inch TFT display. With its accessible 32.7-inch seat height and ergonomics designed for all-day comfort, it's a great option for mature riders seeking adventure without compromise. Now let's talk pricing. The 2025 Ducati Multistrada V2S starts at around $17,895 MSRP. It sits at the premium end of the middleweight adventure segment, but with Ducati's pedigree and touring prowess, it offers solid value for riders looking for that extra touch of luxury. If you're over 40 and want an adventure bike with sporty performance, Italian style, and cutting-edge technology, the Multistrada V2S is ready to take you anywhere. At number 4, we have the KTM 890 Adventure R, a serious off-road capable adventure bike built for riders who want to explore beyond the pavement. At its heart lies an 889 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine producing an impressive 105 horsepower and 100 newton-meters of torque. This engine is paired with advanced electronics, including multiple riding modes, cornering ABS, traction control, and optional rally mode for more adventurous riders. The 890 Adventure R's off-road focus is clear, WP Sploor suspension with long travel, 21-inch front and 18-inch rear spoked wheels, and a high ground clearance make it ready for the toughest trails. Yet, it remains surprisingly manageable for seasoned riders over 40 thanks to its well-balanced chassis and refined power delivery. When it comes to price, the 2025 KTM 890 Adventure R starts at around $15,799 MSRP. While it sits on the higher end of mid-weight adventure bikes, its rugged performance and premium features justify every penny for those seeking true off-road adventures. If you're looking for an adventure bike that thrives in the dirt yet remains composed on the highway, the KTM 890 Adventure R is the ultimate choice for experienced riders. At number 3, we have the all-new BMW F900 GS, a dynamic middleweight adventure bike that brings premium German engineering to the world of adventure touring. The F900 GS is powered by an 895 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, delivering a robust 105 horsepower and 93 Newton-meters of torque. With its lightweight frame and refined throttle response, it offers both excitement and control, making it perfect for long-distance rides or spirited backroad adventures. Designed for versatility, the F900 GS comes equipped with a TFT display, multiple ride modes, cornering ABS, dynamic traction control, and adjustable suspension. Its redesigned chassis makes it 14 kilograms lighter than the previous generation, while a comfortable upright riding position and optional lowered seat height make it accessible for riders of all sizes. As for pricing, the 2025 BMW F900 GS starts at around $14,495 MSRP. This places it squarely in the premium midsize adventure category, offering excellent value for riders seeking a balance of comfort, technology, and performance. If you're over 40 and want a versatile adventure bike with cutting-edge features and BMW's trademark quality, the F900 GS is an outstanding choice. At number 2, we have the Triumph Tiger 1200 GT Explorer, a full-sized adventure touring machine designed for long-distance comfort and effortless power. Under the hood is a 1,160 cubic centimeters T-plane triple engine delivering a commanding 147 horsepower and 130 Newton-meters of torque. This gives the Tiger 1200 GT Explorer exceptional highway performance while maintaining smooth, linear power delivery for more relaxed touring. As the Explorer model, it comes loaded with premium touring features including a massive 30-liter fuel tank for extended range, blind spot radar, cornering traction control, adaptive cornering lights, and a full suite of rider aids displayed on a crisp 7-inch TFT screen. Heated seats and grips plus an electronically adjustable windscreen make long rides comfortable in any condition. When it comes to price, the 2025 Triumph Tiger 1200 GT Explorer starts at around $24,795 MSRP. Yes, it's at the top end of the adventure bike market, but for experienced riders seeking a luxurious, feature-packed touring companion, it delivers unmatched value. If you're over 40 and dreaming of conquering continents with comfort and style, the Tiger 1200 GT Explorer could be your perfect partner. And finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list is the BMW R1300 GS, the undisputed king of adventure motorcycles in 2025. This latest generation comes with a redesigned 1,300 cubic centimeters boxer engine, producing an impressive 145 horsepower and 149 Newton-meters of torque. Combined with a lightweight chassis that's 12 kilograms lighter than its predecessor, the R1300 GS delivers unmatched agility, power, and balance for any terrain. The technology package is second to none. Radar-based adaptive cruise control, lane change assist, semi-active suspension, dynamic traction control, and a massive 6.5-inch TFT display with full connectivity. Whether you're tackling mountain roads or crossing continents, the R1300 GS provides ultimate comfort and control. As for the price, the 2025 BMW R1300 GS starts at approximately $19,590 MSRP. With optional packages, fully loaded models can reach $25,000, but for many seasoned riders, it's worth every dollar for what is arguably the most capable adventure bike in the world. If you're over 40 and seeking the pinnacle of performance, technology, and touring comfort, the BMW R1300 GS is in a class of its own.